Hey man, just wanted to show you where I'm staying at the moment. So I'm in Koh Phangan, Thailand, and for the next month I'm going to be volunteering at this place that I got my yoga teacher training from. And I'll get to the topic of the video in a second, but I just want to show you the place first so you can get an idea and have a look. So I mean, we've got a few bungalows that people stay in, fruit trees everywhere, bamboo, compost, outside showers and toilets, smoking area, the common room, the upstairs shala where we do yoga practice, and downstairs the common room, kitchen in there, and some eating just here, if you can see over there. And so the gist of this place is, this place pretty much runs off of volunteers, right? So there are no workers apart from the necessary workers, because it's Thai laws here, so you need to have Thai workers here. Apart from that, all the volunteers, they come here, give up about 5 to 6 hours of their day in contributing to maintaining the place. And in return, you get free accommodation, free food. You get to meet every 3 weeks a new group of students that come to practice yoga here. The volunteers come and go. I mean, some of them stay for a long time and become managers. And the topic of the video leads to, I mean, dude, this is the best way to travel, literally. So if you have next to no money and you want to travel, maybe even in your own country, go to websites like Workaway, or, you know, go look on some resorts that offer, you know, volunteer programs or something, even in your own country. I know for Australia, there's heaps that you can stay and volunteer at farms for free, still get the traveling experience, still get away from everyone, but it's for free. And you actually feel like you have a bit of purpose because you're putting your work, you know, you're putting work in and you're helping to contribute to this place. That's a branch of yoga. It's called karma yoga, and it's selfless service, right? So giving selfless service is like one of the pathways of yogic way of living and spirituality, and in turn like enlightenment. But that's not the goal, you know. The goal more is to feel like you have a purpose, to feel like you belong somewhere. And that's another thing. This place feels like a community. I mean, the moment you step into this place, the volunteers have great energy and they're all smiling and everyone's out to look after each other, and the energy is just awesome, you know. Great community, great vibe. I hate using that word, but it feels like a family here. And, you know, imagine 10, 20, 30 years down the line, you've got enough money to buy a plot of land and maybe work it. Why not? I mean, create your own fucking little community like this and offer volunteer programs and allow people to come here and make long-lasting friendships and build something where everyone has a common purpose, a common goal. I mean, that's what tribes, and that's how we lived thousands of years ago, you know. Everyone within a village had a common goal, and we'd all work towards that, and there was fulfillment and purpose. Everyone was purpose-driven. Everyone had a role. And, you know, the bonds, the relationships that you create are absolutely amazing. So consider if you want to travel for much cheaper, consider volunteer programs all around the world, even in your own country. And think about it. Maybe if you do like this and you love the idea of a community, maybe you could make that your purpose, you know, of life, to create a massive community of like-minded people where they can all mingle and network with each other and work towards a common goal. I think it's a beautiful thing. But anyway, lads, I'll see you next time.